Well, I conducted a test, but I forgot to turn on the microphone. Pretty much this, this is S110V, 65 Rockwell, sharpened at 15 degrees precise, using Edge Pro, and then I freehand clean up with using DMT extra fine to clean up the apex. And we start out at slicing phone book paper, and I do all this cut. I try to cut the bone in half right here, but I don't have leverage, so I pretty much whittle one end until it pretty much effectively cut up a little bit like so. So now I'm going to test. So this video is truncated, and if there any damage, I'm going to I was looking for damage, and if there any, I'm going to put it at the end of the video. And here is the so like possibly I'm slicing. It's not push cut. I mean, this is a refined to the edge. So here, when I was cutting this, there was some chattering, so it possibly might go chip somewhere. I cannot see it right now. Anyway, well, one more test is when you cut, usually the point is when you have exit, when you cut something, usually the tip contact with bone, and you go like that. Like that. Okay? So, and then now you can say, okay, there's the bone hole, and so I mean the bone, the knife hole, and you can see this the blade here. It's very thin. You can see I flex it with my little thumbstick, and we see that bone deflection do anything. Though when you skid off the thing like this, I mean that's a lot of contact point, and there's not much shattering, so nothing will happen to it. When you cut and the chatter, and when you skip it break and you skip like that, that means you do impact, and that could cause more damage. But I think this blade is already. Let me tell you, yeah, definitely there's some, I can hear something, but this is again phone book paper, and it will cut. Yeah. This is cow leather here, fairly thick. Thanks for watching.